Smart toilets have been available in the Australian market for some time, but with Caroma's release of the Urbane 2 bidet suites in both back-to-wall or behind-the-wall configurations, we're now seeing the move into the mainstream residential market. So what is a smart toilet and what does it do and how does it work? At its most basic level, a bidet spray offers front and rear cleansing, which allows you to reduce or eliminate toilet paper usage. The water is delivered through this nozzle, which extends and retracts from the toilet seat. The nozzle is self-cleaning after each wash and is also easily removable to clean any potential calcium or mineral buildup over time. The bidet washing experience can be fully personalised to adjust to individual comfort levels. There are gender-specific washers, adjustable flow rates, including oscillating and pulsating options, water temperature adjustments, and to complete the cleaning experience, warm air is delivered to dry you off. This suite also offers a deodorising function while the toilet is in use and for a short time after you leave. All of these personalised options can be configured and stored for ongoing use with this easy-to-understand remote control. For additional comfort, some might say luxury, you can select the seat heating function and adjust to the temperature of your choice. A nightlight is incorporated into the design to assist with navigation and aim in the dark, and the seat can be set to automatically open on approach and close when you walk away. These are very smart toilets indeed. It's important to mention that these smart toilets do require electrical roughing, and so your trades will need to know in the early stages of your renovation if you're planning to install one of these toilets. You will need to consult with your electrician about obtaining power to the planned toilet location. While these toilets are on the leading edge of technology, the technology is subtle and will not overwhelm the important design and style elements you want to bring to your bathroom. Flush buttons and flush plates in a range of finishes to match your tapware colour choices are available. Importantly, Caroma have also maintained their patented Clean Flush and Germ Guard technology with this smart toilet, guaranteeing the most easy to clean, hygienic toilet you can buy. Caroma is Australia's most trusted name in bathroom products, and with the launch of this smart toilet are delivering a luxury experience to one of the most natural daily human activities.